Wow.
Compared to the 17.
Yeah.
Oh, you win.
How are you? Looks like I missed a memo or something. What's going on?
Hey,
Well, we
Kevin.
got talking about some of the new tools that we've been playing around with, and so we thought we'd share some of them with you.
New stuff in the tool bag.
Yeah.
Lay it on me.
So I always want to be able to see what I'm working on, and I have to wear glasses. So I found this. This is a face guard and dust mask it got a little filter in it. Oh. And you can wear glasses, and it doesn't fog up.
Oh.
And I think it looks unbelievable.
It looks like
great.
Yeah,
Looks great.
I do.
I have a couple of those. They are amazing.
They're unbelievable. I didn't want to believe that it worked this good, but it really does.
You're actually serious. I got
Yeah.
it. Looks like you should fill it with oats and just eat out of it. Like
I do that once in a while on a long day.
All right, Kevin, you know when time to repoint either brick, block, stone.
Yeah.
We always use our conventional tools, which is a trowel, a pointer, a margin trowel.
doing the
But
thing.
right now, I've gone into full bakery mode.
You're just going to fill that with mortar, and you're just going to use it.
Just
and you're going
squeeze
to push
it,
it in.
and you use it the same way. And it goes quicker than quick.
You've used it in the past with me, and you seemed skeptical back then. No more?
I was. The speed is just too much to deny. So work that I can do in an hour, I'm doing in 10 minutes. Wow. Literally.
And you can write your name.
That's
too.
a big
I got
difference.
my name, Marco.
All right, Heath, what do you got?
All
40
right.
years.
So for me, I didn't think we'd really come across something new, but a new screwdriver. One of my guys was using this, and I kind of gave him a hard time, saying, why would you bother? We already have everything we need. But I used it, and I can't give it up.
How is it different?
So it's actually a slotted screwdriver with the square drive in the middle. And it's a little industry specific, but the devices come with both. But when you use it, it doesn't slip at all.
It fits exactly
It fits
into that
exactly.
screw.
Pretty good.
So I slip all the time, yeah.
Just bites perfectly. So the
perfect.
square drive can slip, the slot can slip, the combination, nothing.
Yeah, the slot always falls off.
Always.
Yeah.
The other nice thing, comes off and fits in any quarter drive screw gun. So you can put it in the gun and then go right back, so you're only carrying the one. And the other thing is it has the onboard storage for the bits.
Oh, look at that.
So it keeps everything, they're all impact rated, nice to use.
Did you apologize to your guy?
I did not yet, that's on the list.
Could I see that?
The boss never has to apologize. Heath. That's
There we go. I should know better by now.
There we go.
All right, Mara, what do you got?
Well, Kevin, do you remember the old and good 5-in-1?
I do.
That every painter has to have one?
Absolutely.
Thing in the past.
Really? 6-in-1?
I have the 17-in-1.
17?
I'm not kidding. You heard it right.
I did.
17-in-1.
to 17.
Technology,
Okay. You should have thought of that.
right? So I'll drive you guys through so you understand. So this very sharp edge right here, right? If you had that stubborn hairline crack on your plaster, this will enlarge the plaster so you can do a better job plastering and patching. All right? Now, over here, you see this very sharp edge right there? This works as a scrape. Peeling paint, scrapes right off.
Yeah.
Now, we have another one right here. See this little bevel edge right here?
Yeah.
That works as a spreader. You can spread your compound, you can spread your wood filler. Regular roller cleaner right here.
Yep.
And the small one is for the little baby rollers, the mini ones.
Oh, yeah.
We got two different sizes of wrench here, 11/16 and 3/4.
Okay.
And over here, if you need to pull some nail out, right there. You can adjust for the
yeah.
size. You get the size, you got little tiny nails, and you get to medium or large. All right, but a little more thing to do. When you open this up, right here is your nail set.
Oh, yeah.
Nail, just gonna need to use a little hammer to set.
Nice.
And a couple more things. We got two different sizes of flathead and two different sizes of a Phillip head.
Perfect.
That can help you out. But I got another one. Don't go yet.
Wait, there's more. Wait, there's more.
We're not done.
End of the day, summertime, 100 degrees, job is done. You want to have something cold to drink, but you don't have like a bottle opener.
No.
Right there.
Do now.
Right here.
That's what you need.
Flick, block. Drink. One. Done. 17-in-1.
Yeah.
Wow.
Use number 17 last.
Yeah,
Don't start with
right.
the bottle opener. Everything else will work just
Right?
Right.
This one's worn out pretty good.
This
Very
is my
nice.
baby. Old, very
All right,
old one.
sounds good. Tommy, what do you got? Let me guess.
What do you think? What am I wearing?
New blue shirt.
Yeah. Yeah, that's right.
No, the new glasses.
I found this about a year and a half ago, working on the lathe every night. Basically, this protects you. Table saw, kickbacks, or lathe work.
Yep.
Keeps me a lot cleaner. I can store all my tools that I need when I'm on the lathe. Also, when I'm turning, you always get sawdust flying. I can flip this up, lock it in, across my neck, and stops the sawdust from falling in.
Very nice. Let's not forget the most important.
What's that?
How sexy it makes you look.
Hubba. See?
Very thinning.
Yeah, thinning.
Well, not so much.
Slimming.
All right, good to know. A list for me and for everyone else. And that's it for us this time, but we got a lot more coming up next week. So until then, and for all of us, I'm Kevin O'Connor for Ask This Old House.
Rich, let me see that driver.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.